Hi everyone, this is Wakamatsuya. Today we are in Nagano, Japan, exploring Matsumoto Castle. Matsumoto Castle was built in the late 15th to early 16th. The main keep is over 400 years old. It's one of only 12 original castles still standing in Japan, and it's designated as a national treasure. The first thing you notice is the open view. There is a wide moat filled with water. Everything feels calm and very Japanese. We are here in mid-April. The snow covers Japanese Alps in the distance. The contrast is beautiful. Now, about the color, most people imagine Japanese castles as white. This one is black. It's called the Crow Castle. The walls are coated with lacquer. This helps protect the castle from weather. And it also gives the castle a strong, elegant look. Okay, now let's go to the main gate. I'm impressed by the size of the gate and the way the stones get stacked really gives me a sense of history. Something unexpected happened here. Our phone suddenly went off and earthquake alert. We didn't feel any shaking at this location, but earthquakes are common in Japan. If you hear this alert, stay calm. That's the most important thing. You can go inside the castle. It's preserved in its original form. That makes it very special. Please put your shoes in a plastic bag. The wooden stairs are slippery, so please be careful. Inside, you'll find all the firearms and weapons. Even these tools shows a sense of beauty and craftsmanship. The stairs are extremely steep and very narrow. Part of this structure, but it also helps slow down enemies. This is the National Treasure Designation Certificate. It's my first time seeing one. There is a kamidana on top of the castle. At the top, you get a full view of Matsumoto City. Mountains surrounded the area. Also, the breeze blowing through this top floor was just so refreshing. The scenery is peaceful and impressive. Take your time here. The hallway design is also wonderful.
アウトドア上ここからいいのかな
I'm so glad I got to visit the jet black Matsumoto Castle. It's a truly beautiful castle, no matter what angle you look at it from. I stopped by the tourist information center near the castle. They had plenty of brochures in English and Chinese, so if you are not sure where to go, you should definitely stop by. The river flowing through the towns was also very clear. When you visit Nagano, you should try soba. We went a popular local spot called Nomugi. We arrived at around 11:30 a.m. It was already full, so we waited a bit. My wife ordered hot soba. I got a large cold soba. It looks amazing. Honestly, this makes me hungry even while editing. In Japan, it's okay to slurp noodles. Actually, it's encouraged. Slurping brings out the aroma and flavor. Of course, my wife and I swapped it and both enjoyed. Both are super delicious. Have you heard of this? It's called sobayu. When you boil soba noodles, the nutrients leach into the cooking water, so you drink that water. The wisdom of our ancestors lives on today. When we left, about 10 people were waiting outside, so if you go, come early. Next, we found oyaki shop. Let's go inside. These are oyaki, one of Nagano's local foods. The classic filling is nozawana greens, but there are many variations. I chose nozawana. My wife picked red sweet bean with butter. After purchasing, we can use this microwave in their store. Around 1 minute waiting. The outside is soft and chewy. The filling is packed with flavor. The inside nozawana is very fresh and a little bit salty, and green aroma is also nice. Another local favorite is milk bread. It's made with plenty of milk, soft, slightly sweet. Compared to American bread, it feels lighter and easier to eat. Every bread looks delicious, so please give it a try. Nawate Street runs along the Metoba River. It used to be part of the old castle town. It's a charming street, small shops, retro atmosphere. This area is also known as a frog street. I can see a lot of frog souvenirs. Frogs used to live here. And in Japanese, frog sounds like return safely. That's why it becomes a symbol. Today, we are staying at Mercure Nagano Matsumoto Resort and Spa. It's one of the biggest hotels in the area, so it's a popular choice for tour groups and travelers. We saw lots of international visitors staying here during our visit. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.